Hi, today we're going to talk about the abdominals. Relating to the abdomen, the belly, that part of the body that contains all the structure between the chest and the pelvis. The abdomen is separated anatomically from the chest by diaphragm, the powerful muscle spanning the body cavity below the lungs. The abdomen includes a host of organs, including the stomach, small intestine, colon, rectum, liver, spleen, pancreas, kidneys, appendix, gallbladder, and bladder. The word abdomen comes from the Latin abdere, to hide. The rectus abdominis is a long, smooth muscle that runs on the entire length of the front of the abdomen and is separated from the partner of the other side with the white line of alba line. It is inserted below between the spine and the ankle of the pubis, above all the lower edge from the VV ribs. Plus, it holds the abdominal viscera in place. It intervenes in the respiratory function of the breath when it's contracted in the parts. Its tone limits maximum inspiration. The rectus abdominis muscle also flexes in the trunks, produce flexion of the spine through the ribs. Now, I will tell you some curious information that you probably didn't know. Make what deficit apps the lactate fat on the midsection. This is completely false. Well, we know, let's hope this may have already been complete forgotten. Lactate the realization of the body fat is a fallacy. No matter when you try to tackle it, you lose body fat around your midsection by losing it throughout your body, not in a specific place. The right percentage of the body fat to see the abdomen is 10%. That is true. Let's see if we can distinguish certain part of the abdomen with a finger. Percentage of fat of 30 of curvy of percent at the last, but see intersection would have 10%. How do you think that would let you see your abdominals? Muscles depend to a certain extent of both your physicality and your genetics. Since of the body fat is distributed differently from the person of persons. Having abs mean very healthy. That is completely true and false. Why? Having a slim in the assignment session give a lot of to some dedication in a gym, a through a diet, but this can be more or less healthy on the other hand. There is more that one like apes throw of the contamination insufficient calories and too much cardiovascular exercise. We already know that a diet we know frequent calories do not produce at error and can produce a rebound in the future and refill on a fat middle section. In that moment, I'm going to say you more curious information that you don't know. 1. In the face waist of a woman exceeds 88 cm and that of the man exceeds 2 cm. The risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. 2. Abdominal fat also causes complications in the body, organs, and increases insulin resistance, which results in great lack of control of blood sugar. 3. Men with a waist conforming greater CF2 are 22 times more likely to develop type 2 diabetes, while a woman with a waist greater than 80 almost 21 times will develop disease. Thanks for your attention.